My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called ConnectedField. ConnectedField is a new adware that is from the AdLoad malware family. The peculiarity of this adware is that it only attacks Mac computers. It specifically injects its roots into the Safari browser, even though other browsers may also be affected. Because of this adware enabled, your entire computer functions in a very slow manner. Also, you may be periodically facing the great portion of pop-up advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. ConnectedField adware is attacking browser through a lot of pop-ups, fake surveys, coupons, deals, banners, and other forms of intrusive advertisements. If this adware was installed into your Mac, you need to get rid of it immediately. Check your applications. If you locate this ConnectedField, right-click on it and move it to the trash. We also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.